In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Smartsheet form. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or a seasoned user, knowing how to print a form can prove to be incredibly useful, especially when you need physical copies for meetings or record keeping. So let's dive right in and go through the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or home. This is your entry point where all your sheets and forms are organized. Once you're there, take a moment to locate and open the specific sheet that contains the form you want to print. It's important to ensure you're in the correct sheet, as Smartsheet can contain multiple forms across different sheets. After you've opened the relevant sheet, look for the Forms option, which you can find in the menu. Click on it and then choose Manage Forms. This will provide you with a list of all the forms associated with your current sheet, allowing you to pick out the one you need. Locate and select the form you intend to print. This step is crucial because it directs the next step specifically to the form you've chosen. Now, with your form selected, click on Open Form. This action will open the form in a new tab within your web browser. Having the form in a separate tab not only makes it easier to navigate without distractions, but also prepares it for printing. Once your form is open, you're ready to initiate the printing process. If you're using a Windows computer, press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. Mac users will want to use Command+P. This keyboard shortcut is a quick and convenient way to bring up the print dialog box, effectively preparing you to customize how your form will appear on paper. Now let's talk about adjusting the print settings. The print dialog gives you the flexibility to customize various settings based on your requirements. For example, you can select the appropriate paper size, which might depend on how detailed your form is or the preferred size for your records. Additionally, you should look at the orientation, landscape or portrait, depending on the layout of your form. Adjusting margins can also be useful if you need to fit more content on the page, or if you simply want to center the form nicely. After making these adjustments to the print settings, you're ready for one final check. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with your settings, go ahead and click the print button. By doing this, you'll send the form to your connected printer, and within moments you'll have a physical copy in your hands. And that's it. You've successfully printed a Smartsheet form armed with both digital and tangible versions to suit your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.